Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine. I am back with another unboxing for Drape Fit. Now, if you're not familiar, Drape Fit is a clothing delivery service or styling service. You can get it monthly or quarterly. There is a $20 styling fee that you do get back if you were to purchase something. But this is only my second box, and I should be on my fourth box. So my first box, I wanted to exchange something. So basically that holds your account in limbo until they get that item in stock. But I sent them a few emails saying, I don't care about that item, just mark it returned so we can move on. Now, I don't know if that happens to everybody's account where they hold it until the exchange item is taken care of. That seems rather bizarre to me, but that's what it is. And after about 2 emails, we finally solved the problem, and here we go. I've got my second one. And this is what you see when you open it. We've got the Drape Fit tissue and a gigantic sticker. Holy smokes. And we have, on the bottom, we have the bag to return everything in. And in here, I believe, if I can get in there, wait, they must have already put it on there. Oh, they did. They already put the return label on for me. Bonus. Okay. And then we have, oh, I have a gift card. Very nice. And I think that was to make up for the issues I had. And just a little pamphlet about how it works. And what is this? Oh, this is my sheet that tells me everything I have. And everything comes out to, let's see, $257.45. If I purchase everything, I get a 25% discount, which would bring it down to $193.09, and then sales tax, it would be $210.35. And let's see what they gave me. I did ask for romantic boho kind of clothes. I also asked for dresses because I'm kind of wanting a dress. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have a silver bangle bracelet. This is the silver solid chain link bangle bracelet for $19.99. So let's take a look at it. I'll take it out just to show you, but I know I'm not going to keep it because it's a bangle. That's pretty though, isn't it? And there it is. That's pretty. But I really don't like bangles. If it was a soft bracelet, then I may consider it. Okay, what else? What else? What else? All right, here is my pile. Oh boy. Now I want to ask you, do you prefer that I sit here and show you hold up the clothes and then try them on? Or is it okay if I just go straight to the try-on, which is what I prefer to do? So let's see what I got. So here is the first outfit they sent, this very bright pink shirt. This is the ruffled ribbed t-shirt. It is ribbed, which I do like. I feel like I'm going to a space convention with those on there. If they kind of laid down a little bit, I probably would like that better. The shirt is too small. This is a size large. I did say extra large for everything they sent me because my last fit, everything was so small. So they would like $33.99 for this shirt. And I'm not sold on it. I mean, my daughter might like it, but this is not me. So I'm definitely going to say no to this one. The sleeves are too tight, too short. Yeah, this is a no. Now the pants. Now these pants are in white. They are a size 14. They are just called women's capris. Now they are very stretchy and they are very see-through. I had a pair of black underwear on underneath and they just really showed. Now I do have shapewear on and you can see it easily with this fabric. And there's no pockets. They are capris. They would like $22.99 for this. I asked them not to send me white. So, you know, I have animals and white would just not work. And I'm not going to buy capris to wear out. You know, I'm not going to wear white to wear out. It would be in my closet forever. So, these are going to be a no. So we're just going to go right into the next pair of pants they sent me. These are in purple. They are $30. They are the women's cotton blend 5-pocket skinny capri jeggings. Now these are very reminiscent of the same types of pants that Nadine West sends. Look at these tiny pockets. What is up with that? What am I going to do with that? And it makes your butt look huge when you have tiny pockets. But they are a nice length. They're very stretchy. And they're very comfortable. But I'm not crazy about them. They have a little studded button right here, which is cute. But this is the kind of fabric that will pill right away. And so I'm going to say no to these. And yep, that's a brand that's in Nadine West. I'm not happy about that. So let's go up to the shirt. So this is a boho blouse. Both of these items are in an extra large. Now, here we are, white. I asked them not to send me white. But I love the shirt. I love that it doesn't have any ties hanging. It has an elastic sleeve that is that length. Now, if you want to push it up like this, you can. And just wear it up like that. But it has the ribbing here, the embroidery here, which I like a lot. I like the wide collar. I do like this shirt. I really wish it was in another color. So this is what it looks like out. And this is cotton. So this is going to shrink and fit a lot better. Here is the back. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. But I can't have white here. Not with all these creatures crawling on me all day. So the boho blouse will be a no. They want $28 for the blouse and $30 for the jeggings. The next item is this blouse. It is a cold shoulder blouse that does have sleeves. Now, I can appreciate the length of the sleeves. I like the pattern, but it is 100% polyester. It doesn't, that's it. It doesn't move. Okay, so I don't like these at all. You would have to wear a strapless bra with this, which is fine if that's what you like to do. But I really don't like it at all. And it's polyester. So this is going to be a no. This is a large. They also sent a size 12 jeans, and it took everything. I mean everything for me to get in them. Let me show them to you. So the shirt, they want $26.50 for it. Now the pants, they want 60 bucks. First of all, they are mid-rise. I requested high-rise only. So they're an absolute no. There's no way. So these are too small. The waist is too low. If they had sent me these with a high waist, I probably would get them. I mean, they're very comfortable. I would also want to size up. These are a size 12. But, you know, I've been gaining some of my weight back, and so some 12s won't fit me. So let's go to the last item. I wanted to mention that as I'm changing, this is digging into my arm and it hurts. Can you see that? It's just digging in there, so you can't. So this is definitely a no. The last thing in my box is a dress. So I'm very happy about that. It's white. So, I mean, they've sent me 3 white things. So let's talk about the dress. We have an embroidered border here with some pearl buttons. They do go through. So if you were bustier, it would pull. It does feel a little snug here. Has a little bit of a poof sleeve with elastic at the end, which I don't like. Don't like the elastic. It's too tight. I do like how it fits here and flares out. It is a tiered dress. Let me back up a little. That's the length. I like the dress. I don't like these, so I would definitely fix these, but I like the dress, but it's white. So I have to really, really think about that. This is the JG long flowy floral dress. Oh, it's in a, okay, it's in a large, and they'd like $30 for it. I like it. I might have to say yes to this dress. All right, let's do a recap. Okay, so let's go over what they sent me and what I think. So this strappy polyester, I mean, I like the pattern and everything. Had it been more of a flowy type blouse, totally covered shoulders, I probably would consider it. But it's too small. It's strappy. So I don't like those things about it. So I will be saying no to this. The jeans by Zara, which is another brand that you do see in Nadine West, and let me advise you to avoid Nadine West, period. They have an F rating. Anyone I speak to has a poor experience with them. They send you bad quality clothes and hike up the price on them. They charge people for items that are not missing, but they claim are. Avoid them. But this is a brand that they send. So these jeans were a size 12. I can't fit in all 12s anymore. I've gained too much weight back. So these are going to be a no. Plus they were mid-rise when I asked for high-rise. So they're not, they obviously haven't been looking at my profile either. The purple jeans, these are jeggings. These are poor quality. These are going to pill probably the first time you wash them. So this is going to be a no. This is also a brand in that other delivery service. The blouse, the Boho Blouse. I really like this. I'm even thinking of maybe keeping it and dyeing it. I think that would be fun, but I don't know. I'm just going to send it back and tell them no white. I'm going to try that again. The pink blouse, too small. The sleeves aren't long enough for me anyway. And these things, it makes me feel like I'm in some kind of a space alien kind of outfit. So that one's going to be a no. The white capris, I mean, it is definitely white capri season, but I didn't care for these. I think if they were a little bit larger, maybe a little bit more like slacks, but I don't even have white pants. I've never had white pants, but I will not be keeping these either because they're white. It won't work in my home. The dress, however, I really like this dress. And I'm thinking of keeping it even though it's white. It just fits so well. I think it looks good, and it's a nice summer dress. And I've gotten used to these, how tight they are. I pulled them up a little bit and just let this fall, and I really don't notice it. But I am thinking of keeping this dress. This is something that I would wear like out to dinner with my husband and things like that. So, gotta look nice when you go out with your hubby. So I might consider keeping this dress. We'll see. And, oh, yes, and the bracelet, which I like the design and everything. Had it been just a soft bracelet, a chain, I probably would have said yes. But we're going to say no to this too. Okay. They didn't look at my profile. They did a little bit. She sent me a dress, and she sent me a boho shirt. But she sent 3 white items. I did change my profile to extra large, and they still sent larges. So I'm not too crazy about that. I will be making comments, you know, and I'm going to give them one more try. One more try. And if they don't get it together by then, I'm going to have to upgrade. So on that note, I am really happy that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.